The Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition, or LIMA, has opened. This year's showcase features global defense and aerospace firms, with Russia returning to the event after a 6-year absence. Russia unveiled the Su-57E, an export variant of its stealth multi-role fighter aircraft. A representative says it now includes onboard AI to assist its solo pilot with combat decisions. Civilian aircraft like the MC-21 were also on display, alongside helicopters, drones, and next-gen weaponry.